Good morning again, River of Life. I want to read a scripture for you from James chapter 1, verses 1 and 2. Verses 2 and 3. Consider it pure joy, my brothers and sisters, whenever you face trials of many kinds, because you know that the testing of your faith produces perseverance. That's a hard scripture. Most of us do not consider it pure joy when we face trials. And we are facing a trial, and we have faced trials, and we will face more trials. But think about it, and from the Lord's perspective, it is joy because you're being tested, and the testing of your faith produces perseverance. You're able to persevere through whatever life might throw at you. So I want you to count it joy. I want you to persevere and be blessed. God bless you.